Hello, my name is Ben.
And I'm Diego.
And we are very happy to tell you about our new app, MTDash.
Hey, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about our bus app. It tells you all the key features that you would like to see. The main difference from our app from other apps is that as soon as you open the app, it'll tell you the buses that are going to depart. If you've ever seen like a screen that tells you all the buses that are about to depart, maybe in the dining hall or right outside a bus stop, it's basically that's going to be in front of the app.
It automatically identifies which stops would be most helpful to display based on your current location, but it's not just limited to the one stop. It'll list all the stops that are vaguely nearish you and might be helpful.
So besides the key features in the open screen, there are details for people that are more bus enthusiasts, kind of like Ben. I'm sure he can tell you a couple things about all the details that has.
Yeah, we'll get to that in our demonstration.
All right, so right here you can see this is the very first screen you see. This dashboard at the bottom tells you the closest buses based on your location. Like right here we have the silver who is about to depart. But there is the bronze, which is not actually at par, but still very close, and then every other bus around this area.
If you want to find a stop and get the departures list for that, you can use the Find Stops features, which lists every MTD stop, all 2,500 of them, in ascending order of distance. We are nearest the north side of Par, so Pennsylvania at Par is the nearest stop to us. You can click on any of these. For example, let's have a look at
LAR.
Yeah.
And it tells you all the buses departing from LAR. If we go back, there is also a search bar where let's go to maybe a popular distance, like let's say Transit Plaza. If you want to see what buses are leaving from there you go, all the buses you need to see.
Some stops have multiple boarding points, so if you want to figure that out, you can click Show on Map, and you can click any of these markers to see which is the particular one you want. And if we zoom out, since we're at Par, it will plot our location, and that updates live.
That's perfect. So besides the main features we also have an Explore Routes feature, which Ben can tell you about.
This lists all the routes that are currently operating. If you want to see all of MTD's routes that operate anytime, you can switch to the All tab. There are so many of them. If you click on any one of them, for example, let's have a look at the Raven. This shows you all the trips that the selected route makes today, because not every route makes all its trips on every day. For example, some trips are only made on U of I days. So all shows all routes. You can click on a trip and it shows you some technical information near the top and all the stops it makes. You can click View Map to get a graphical map of the trip. If you click on these little circles, you can see the stop name and when it departs that stop. If we go all the way back to the main screen, there's one more feature for curious people. You can view the map, which plots the location of every single operational MTD vehicle.
And they're nicely color-coded, too.
Yep, so you can zoom in, you can click on any one. For example, I hit that yellow dot down near the lower left, and that is a yellow hopper going to Illinois Terminal.
So here on the dashboard, we have multiple information. It tells you the departure time and where it's departing from, but if you actually click on it, it'll tell you more of the trip details for those people that are trying to get the most out of their bus experience.
So you see the estimated departure time and what it was originally supposed to be in case you're wondering how late they are. If you need to find the actual stop on a map, it shows you just the particular stop point. Or if you want the trip detail screen, it takes you right to that where, again, you can see the map.
Hey, so welcome back. So during the app development, of course, we use Android Studio, and then the main API we used was the MTD API.
We made the API requests using the Volley library, and we parsed the resulting JSON using the JSON library. Oh, and we plotted the maps and got the location using the Google Play SDK. To speed up your browsing experience, we put in a little bit of an optimization.
MTD offers a static version, so every time you open the app, you don't have to manually download all the information every time. So the very first time you open the app, it's going to download that zip file. We
published our work to GitHub under a private repository because we don't want to expose our API keys. But as you can see here, we were both working, and there's quite a few commits, even a whole other page of them, over a period of time.
Alright guys, so that's our app, MTDash. Well, we hope you guys like it. Hopefully very soon it'll be in the Android Play Store. And yeah.